Boys, we got parts on parts on parts. FDF Fab dual caliper bracket for the rear on the Z. A little bit of sicky hydro action for my little yeets on the track. Oh, coilovers for the... R33, that sounds weird. But most importantly, we got some flares. Fun fact of the day, I cut my own hair. A lot of you guys are like, oh, that's why this guy's so ugly. Cut my own hair for about 4 years now, 5 years now. And I want to drive the Lexus today. Also, big issue, and this is an issue when the car comes stock, I don't have a cup holder, so you do the math. About 600 horse plus no cup holder plus open monster can equals bad. Let's see, this is can I make my own cup holder right here? Can I just put it there? Oh, I'm sitting on my seatbelt. It is up my hole right now. Hey! Yeah! And by the way, this Monday we're dropping a new 5.3 supply drop. Make sure you don't miss it. We've got a new hoodie, a shirt, a drawstring bag, some stickers, and we got some crazy cool 5.3 window decals and some more stuff. So make sure you guys cop that. It's always a limited supply. But let's go drive this sucker. Let's go. Okay. Oh, I'm in neutral. That's why I'm not moving. Here we go. Woo! No grip, gang. So good. Hey. We made it in one piece. Hey, what do you guys think about me taking my dad's Jeep to go get it tuned? It's LS swapped. So that'd be fun. Anyways, that's random. Love driving this car now. I haven't like daily driven it in almost 2 years. So, oh my God, it just looks so good now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Spilled. Whoops. These are coming out too. 5.3 S-Beaners. Let's go. Engraved aluminum. Okay. So boys, something really awesome I gotta share with you is we have paired up with Karlton Flares. The real, genuine Karlton Flares to get this car looking as good as possible. We also have new wheels back there. He specifically makes these for the exact year. So this is for an 04, 05. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. One more. God, these just look, feel, smell, taste, everything way better than the other bunky POS, whatever these were. So I'm gonna install the other side this time and we're gonna compare because I have a feeling it's gonna be a really funny and terrible comparison. I have some body kit liner at home to help this look nice and fit nicely onto the body. But for today, I'm just test fitting and I'm drilling into the car to get these fit correctly. And yeah, welcome. My name's Shanks, welcome to the channel. I wear white shoes while working on dirty cars.
They say that age fuels the fire inside of a man.
What do you guys know? A kit that actually fits. Huh.
He hears death coming. He opens the door and says, come in. Give me rest. That is an act of lies. I got enough fight in me to devour the world. So, I fight.
And there we go, boys. This is what a correct fitting, nice kit is supposed to look like. This is some pretty high strength fiberglass. It's definitely better and more bendable and more durable, it feels like, than the other one. The other one just broke as soon as I touched it. It's fairly simple. You have to do a lot of measuring and it's just a lot of looking. You have to see it, take it off, draw, see it, take it off. Before you do any drilling, and then you have to stretch it out a little bit. Sometimes even in nice kits like this you have to do a little bit of work, but Thankfully, I had to do basically nothing. One thing about installing body kits is I like to drill the holes in the kit beforehand, because whenever it's on the body and you're like putting pressure, sometimes the bit can slip. So it's nice to drill your hole right in the middle where it's supposed to be and then start lining things up, because then all you have to do is put your drill bit straight through that and then it's lined up. Unfortunately, these Cleco pens don't really like to hold into the stock plastics, but just like that. But it was super easy. It fit right the first time and it lines up. I've got some hardware coming from Dress Up Bolts, but we're not gonna do any of that final stuff until the car is painted. We're gonna paint the flares, paint the car, and then everything's gonna go on together. Now we tackle this guy. So this rear is going to be a little difficult because we completely replaced the quarter panel. The quarter panel doesn't fit 100% identical. So yeah, and we're also going to need to move the door up a little bit, and that's an easier-ish thing to do. As you can see, there's definitely a bit of a gap right here, so we probably have another 1/8 inch to go. But this right now definitely won't open with the kit right there, and that's exactly where it needs to be. So I'm gonna go ahead and start bending it a little more and get it to fit on here. But boys, this is what a kit that is designed for your exact car is supposed to fit like. Even look at this, look at this, look at this, look at this. Ooh. And Victoria's coming up here bringing me some Bondo and some body kit lining to make it fit a little more flush, but damn, this is gonna be so nice. Oh, look at this hair though. Y'all didn't even see. Look at this flex. Damn, she's so cute, huh? My hot wife. Yeah, so look at this fitment. It's way better. Like, look at this. And now look at it.
Do you have to do any modifications?
No. I just literally put it on.
Imagine that.
Look, now look at this. Like, look at this. And now look at that. Pretty bad. Like, I mean, just look at this. Look at this fitment right here. Like millimeters off. And I'm gonna have this, some body kit liner. When I put this liner on, it's gonna make it flush to the body, and it's gonna make it a lot nicer. I don't need to do it today. It's gonna be on whenever I do paint, just so I don't scratch the paint. But it's going good so far. Now I'm gonna do a little bit of a test fit. I'm not gonna show you guys the wheels yet. That's gonna come. I want you guys to see the wheels whenever I get tires and everything's ready to go on the car. I'm at least gonna show you guys the fitment with the flares. I'm kind of nervous. I'm hoping that we got the right size, and we had to do a lot of combos on this. We had to do a lug adapter and a low offset wheel to try and, hey, let's see, let's cross your fingers, boys, right now. Do it. I'm waiting for you. Okay, all right, let's go. Oh, that's so wide. So, with coilovers and the right size tire, that will be an amazing fitment. All right, sorry I can't reveal those to you. I don't want you guys to see what they are until the second I get tires on them. So we're gonna get tires on those. I'll show them to you probably sometime in the next couple days. So I haven't announced this yet, but Gentium's actually coming down this weekend to hang out, and we are renting out an airport to drift. And it'll be really exciting. I'm gonna be, hopefully my Z will be good by then, but that's kind of a fun thing. So I'm trying to get a bunch of stuff figured out, but I need to work on the Z, need to do a hydro in the Z, gotta fix the rear coilover. I'm not gonna fix the wheel bearing because it's actually fine, and then I have some, I still have some more stuff to tighten up. Oh God, okay, whoopsies. So here's the, here's one side. You probably noticed that I haven't put this little thing on the door. So if you see here, this is one solid piece that you hold on. You have to clean it really thoroughly with alcohol, and then you kind of just stick it on here with a bunch of 3M double-sided tape. That'll fit on just like that. It's gonna look absolutely awesome, but I'm not gonna do it until the car is completely painted. So you're not gonna see the full body kit on until this car is done, but we are making huge progress. This is literally what I was waiting on. The biggest thing now is I'm gonna have to take the body kit back off, cut all the fenders, and then do some body kit liner to just kind of fill it out a little bit more, and it will literally be good to go. All right, boys, let's kick it into gear And with all this lovely space I have on this side, let's do this side. This side turned out great as well. The only thing I'm gonna need to do is file down a little bit of this bottom piece right here, and then it'll be really, really, really easy. It'll fit really well. I'm gonna have to cover up, I actually might not have to cover up that hole. There's a couple holes, like there's one here from the old body kit, which obviously, like, look how terribly it fit. Like, it was all the way up there. So psyched I got these instead. So stoked. Karlton Flares, that's like the OG kit that everyone in the Subaru realm has gotten and should, and there's a reason for that. So make sure you guys hit up Karlton Flares if you want to flare out your Subaru. Even if you don't have a lot of experience, they give you a really in-depth guide on how to install them. Super easy. You just gotta be meticulous, and you have to have some sort of wit about you. But aside from that, easy stuff. Goodbye, old kit. Hello, new Karltons. I think this car is gonna look better than the Evo. Contemplating on keeping this over the Evo, but that's I don't know. Oof, damn. Where am I gonna put this? Okay, don't spill this time, dog. Don't spill. Today's advice is for those people out there that think that they're losers, that get called losers. I'm right there with you. I want to comfortingly let you guys know that the real losers are the ones that degrade you to make themselves feel better. You are not a loser. The people that really lose in the end are the people that just constantly try and put others down so that they can get their sad lives to go up a little bit more. Sad people like to see other people sad. But that's it. Oh, I gotta dig my keys out of my butt. Oh, they're so deep. Hey, y'all have an awesome day. Peace out. Where's my fuel pump not on? It's on. Bye. 2 videos, baby. I got 2 videos for you right there, boys. Make sure you click on both of them. Both of them are my favorite. If you've already watched them, then choose another video. But make sure you watch at least one more. Keep watching.